The opening words of this week's Torah portion, in which we're introduced to Abram and Sarai and their nephew Lot, is a very cryptic phrase, grammatically challenging in Hebrew as to how best to translate. Lech Lecha, we're familiar with the phrase. Debbie Friedman, may she rest in peace, sang a beautiful song based on those two words, Lech Lecha, and the feminine version, Lechi Lach. If God wanted to say to Abram to get up and go from the land that they were in, which is the land of Haran, and go to the land of Israel, the land that God was showing Abram and Sarai to move to, God could have said, Kum Lech, get up, go. But Lech Lecha, this doubling of the verb, which sounds like it's a doubling of the verb, but Lech means to go. It's a command form. Lecha, it could mean for you or to you. So what does that mean? Go for you, go to you. So is it an internal, inspirational, motivational message that God is giving to Abram? Is God saying, get the motivation within yourself to see the necessity of moving from this pagan land to this new land where you will become the father of a great people? Is it more of a command to gather the people around you, for you to understand who the people are with you to go? Is it an internal message? Is it an external message? And because it is so cryptic, it has enabled commentaries and commentators over the years to homiletically understand this phrasing. So it's as all of these stories in the book of Genesis, they are not just about events that may or may not have occurred in Jewish history, but they serve as a lesson for us. The actions of our ancestors serve to teach us how to act. And so when we're confronted with the possibility of making a choice to do something new, we're supposed to look to Abram and Sarai and understand the phrase Lech Lecha as a motivational phrase for us, that we shouldn't be stagnant. We should see opportunity in front of us and take advantage. And even if we see the plight of the poor and the disadvantaged, we need to Lech Lecha. We need to get up and go and do something about it. So let us constantly see Abram and Sarai, as they are referred to later, Abraham and Sarah, as models for us, as jumping and being ready to act when necessary. Shabbat Shalom.